Okay. Honey pineapple glazed ham. This is a candy yam, y'all, okay? When I say I want candy yams, this is how I want my sauce on my, here I go. Garlic and herb Cajun turkey. Wow. Get into this mac and cheese. Meaty spicy greens. When I say I want gravy and turkey. Wow. See how bomb that looks? Cornbread dressing with gravy. Quick and easy honey butter corn. I think I made like the perfect sweet potato pie because y'all see how bomb that looks? The banana pudding. See how bomb that looks? Do y'all see how bomb that looks? Lemon raspberry bundt.